Good day, guys. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have BOOM1000 index. It's been a minute since we dropped a video here on any of the boom indexes. But we do actually trade this, okay, from time to time, you know. So make sure that you stay tuned, and by the way, make sure that you subscribe or you check out the free group. Okay, we also have a free group, and we do send free setups or free signals there from time to time. So if you don't, or for now you cannot afford our private signals or mentorship, you can definitely check out the free group. All right. So by the way, nobody is forcing anyone to purchase any private signals or whatnot. So, and BN-ExperienceFX will never ever message you first. All right. So that's one thing that I wanna make sure that you guys understand. All right. So it will never happen. Watch out for scammers, and we don't have a Facebook account. All right. Be sure that you know that if you wanna inbox us, we have Instagram, okay, and we have Twitter. All right. Everything should be on the screen right now. So these are our official numbers, all right? And this is the only WhatsApp number if you want messages, okay? So with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. So as always, make sure that your chat is clean, right? And I'm on the 1 hour time frame here. So, you know, the strategy is the same, or the approach is the same all around. You just have to know how to trade. Okay, that's why when most people actually fail when it comes to trading, they don't know how to actually trade. You can analyze, but trading is another thing, right? Which is why you might need a mentor. But anyways, I'm on the 1 hour time frame here. Make sure that you restart your chart, and then I'm gonna zoom out at least 4 times. Right. So I zoomed out 4 times, and with this, for me, I'm satisfied with what I'm seeing here. The price is enough for me to conclude what type of structure that I'm seeing here. If for you, you cannot see or you're still getting confused, the best thing you can do is zoom out another 4 times. Then if you get confused on after doing that, you can zoom out one more time. Then if you still get confused, just leave that. Go look for another setup that you can analyze. All right. So those are the rules that apply here. So as I was saying, for me, I can see that this is a bullish market structure, and I know what a bullish market structure means. Okay. So another thing you have to know, make sure that you know the properties of the type of structures that you're gonna be seeing. Right. So for once, a bullish market structure, it consists of high highs and high lows, right? And the high lows are the ones that you have to look out for, okay? But we'll get there after doing these steps. So, like I said, for me, seeing a bullish market structure is one thing. What I have to do actually is to make sure I confirm what I see, right? So I'm going to be tracing this market, right, until I reach here so that I can establish the proper high highs and high lows, right? Then when you're tracing here, make sure that you aim for the highest points and the lowest points, or rather the obvious highs and lows. So from here, for instance, you might get confused as to which one you want to go with, right? Remember what I'm saying, the highest one. So this one and this one, they seem to be on equal highs, right? Or they're on the same level. But here, as you can see, we have this one, all right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go with this one. Then the lowest here. Then the same thing here, all right? Then here, then here, then here, and then here, go all the way there. Okay, so now that we have this, you can see now where the high is and where the high low is at, right? So after you have identified this, the next step here is we're going to focus on the most recent high and the most recent high low, which is here. This is a high low here, this size, these are high lows, this size, these are high highs. Okay, then for that, or after you highlight, after you identify the most recent high and high low, make sure that you highlight them so that you don't forget. Okay, you don't forget like which one is which. And by the way, the colors here, they don't really matter which one you choose. Choose whichever one that makes sense to you, or whichever ones that you like. So long as you understand. So this is my high low, this is my high here, all right? Then one point that I want to explain is that if a high is broken, okay, which by the way, this is not a breakout, this is a fake breakout, but if a high is broken, what it means is that the market structure is going to gain more momentum to go to the upside, right? While if a high low is broken, it means that the structure is going to change and the momentum is going to shift from bullish to bearish, right? That's why I'm saying you must highlight this. Okay, and then another point, you can use these two points here, the high and the high low, as overall TP points, depending on where you're entering the trade. For example, if you enter your trade from here, take a sell from here as an example. I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen, because I don't actually know yet as to what is going to happen. But as an example, to take a sell from this point, here, this would potentially be your overall TP area, right up until you get a breakout so that you can be able to trade outside of fear. All right, as long as the price is still inside or above this high low, you can look for buys. All right, but then once you get a break below here, then most definitely with high confidence, high momentum, you can look for sells. Anything that is between this high and this high low is just what we call a pullback. All right, so yeah. Then now the next step here is to actually look for the inside structure between the high and the high low. Then from here, you can do what we just did. Here you can trace what's inside here, like you can trace the price. Again, you do the same thing, which is looking for the higher highs and high lows, all right? So in this case, you guys, I'm seeing that I have a bullish inside structure here. Sometimes it can be bearish, right? You just have to understand which one is which. Then you have to apply the properties. So here, since this is a bullish one, the properties are going to be the same one as the blue one, which is the main one here, meaning that this higher low must not be broken. If it's broken, then temporarily inside here, we're going to have a change of structure, right? But so that you don't get confused, the best thing you can do, okay, you guys, is this. Make sure that you highlight here and you can put it whatever color, as long as it's a different color here. Now this is going to represent my support and resistance, in this case, the high low, right? The inside high low. So as long as I'm above, or as long as this is not broken, I can look for buys, okay? More momentum to look for buys. Remember what I said here. So this inside structure here, why do you identify this? You identify this so that it can help you to adapt, so that you can be able to trade just like me, okay? So the best advice that I could give you, as you can see right now, I would say that look for buys, all right? Ignore any selling signal that may come from the candlesticks here, all right? Why? Because if you don't know what you're doing, you might make mistakes. So if you don't want to make mistakes, just wait until the price comes somewhere here and then it fails to break out, or just wait until the price breaks above here. You get what I'm saying, people? Okay. So other than that, there's nothing much more which I can add here, honestly, other than the fact that what I say, right? If you get a break above here, it just means more momentum to the upside, right? Then you know the rest. So make sure that you guys give us a like, you share, you comment, do all those things, and I'll see you on the next video.